Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all affordable diet plan to lose weight fast. You can lose 10 kgs easily with this diet plan. By affordable, I mean no oats, no brown rice, no fancy foods, no green teas, nothing of that sort. Very homely and very easy to prepare diet plan from the kitchen itself. With this diet plan, you can very easily lose 10 kgs and you'll be amazed to see the results. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with affordable diet plan to lose weight fast. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with ajwain jeera water. All you have to do is simply boil 1.5 glasses of water and add 1 teaspoon of ajwain and 1 teaspoon of jeera to it. Let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. This will help you to remove all the water retention, bloating and any kind of swelling in the body very quickly. Now if you cannot have this, then you can simply have lemon water. All you have to do is add 1 lemon squeezed to 1 lukewarm glass of water and mix it well and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options. For breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options. Of course, the first option has to be a veggie sandwich. All you have to do is prepare a veggie sandwich in the following form. The recipe is given here. You can skip lettuce if it's not available with you. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference. You can even skip it and have 1 glass of milk if you like it so. But do not add any kind of sugar to the tea or coffee or milk of any form. Next option is 1 banana with 1 glass of warm milk. The potassium in banana helps to waken you up in the morning itself and keeps you fresh and very active for the entire day. Third option for affordable breakfast is, if you're an vegetarian, you can have 3 boiled egg whites along with 1 toast, or you can even prepare a veggie omelette out of it. Good amount of protein and as well as helps you to stay satiated for the longer time of the day. Now let's check out our mid-morning snack options. Nothing as snack, only and only you can have 2 glasses of lukewarm water. This will help you stay hydrated and as well as help you remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly if you want to lose 10 kgs very fast. At the same time, we'll proceed towards our lunch, and as usual, 1 hour before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar mixed in lukewarm water. Now what exactly does this for our body? It prevents the body from giving you any kind of sugar spikes if you have your lunch, and at the same time boosts your metabolism to a very different level. And now let's check out our lunch options. For lunch, whatever sabzi or curry is prepared at your home, you can have 1 good full bowl of it. Along with that, you can have curd or raita and plus lots and lots of salad. In salad, you can add cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever is available with you. Just chop it off and have it without any salt or without any seasoning. Along with 1 good full bowl of sabzi or dal or curry, whatever is prepared at your home along with curd. Second option for affordable lunch is veggie pulao. Now rice is very easily available at home and you can prepare a very good weight loss lunch recipe with this. Now here is the recipe for veggie pulao. Approximately 1.5 cups of brown rice in 2 cups of water for approximately 30 minutes. Now in a pressure cooker, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To this, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of jeera and let it splutter for at least 2 minutes. Then I'll be adding freshly chopped green chilies to this. Mix it all well. This I'll be adding 1 whole cup of broccoli. Now this is very fresh broccoli. Along with this, I'll be adding bell peppers, red and yellow bell peppers chopped. Fresh red carrots, approximately 1 cup again, 1 cup of green peas. So here we have added all the green vegetables and to this I'll be adding salt according to taste, black pepper powder and turmeric powder. Along with this, I'm also adding coriander powder. Mix it all well. You can add the spices according to your own choice, whatever you feel like. And to this I'll be adding soaked brown rice. Make sure to cook the rice before for at least 2 minutes properly. And to this, then I'm adding fresh coriander leaves for taste. They are amazing to give good flavor, and to this I'm adding 3 cups of water. Mix it all well and let it cook for approximately 3 whistles. And once the whistles are over, do not open it immediately. Let it cook in its own steam for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And once done, you can open it and you can see how well a brown rice pulao is ready, which is a very low calorie recipe and at the same time great for losing weight as well. High in fiber, high in protein, and at the same time very great for weight loss in each and every criteria. Have it along with raita or curd or chutney, whatever is your favorite, and enjoy your lunch. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snacks. For mid-evening snack options, you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference, but do not add any kind of sugar to it. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts if it's available with you, or you can skip it and have 30 grams of roasted peanuts for your mid-evening snack to give you a good amount of protein and at the same time keep you satiated for a longer time of the day. And now proceeding towards our dinner options, for which I'll be giving you lots of options. The first one has to be my personal favorite and great for skin benefits as well and immunity booster in each and every form, which is healthy milk with 1 or 2 apples. Now yes, this is a little bland dinner, but trust me, when you have it and you see the benefits coming up each and every day, you'll be amazed to see it and love having it each and every night. Second option for affordable dinner is a good full bowl of papaya or pineapple or watermelon, whatever is seasonally available with you. You can have it, and this will also prevent any kind of constipation for the next day. And if you have this as a dinner, you will definitely see a great number going lower on the scale the next morning. Third option is for all the soup lovers out there for dinners. You can have a good full bowl of soup prepared in any form. The recipe for soups is here. And you can have 1 good full bowl of it for dinner. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. Now if you want to lose 10 kgs easily and quickly, all you have to do is follow this diet plan A to Z and at the same time have your bedtime drink without any fail, for which you can have soft water or ajwain and jeera water again. That's per your own preference. If you want to have ajwain or jeera water, then you can prepare it in the similar manner that you did in the morning itself, or you can have soft water in a similar manner. All you have to do is boil 2 teaspoons of soft in 1 glass of lukewarm water, boil it for at least 2 to 3 minutes and have it sip by sip before going to bed. This will prevent any kind of acidity and at the same time give you great results for boosting your metabolism for the entire night and help you lose weight fast very quickly. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give you good hydration and at the same time to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. Follow this diet plan for immense weight loss and you'll be amazed to see the results. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More to stay updated for all the upcoming recipes, weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients lose weight very easily with homemade kitchen-based meals, and at the same time, you can too. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to stay updated for all the upcoming videos as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.